In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the HoneyBook library, Files and Templates 2026. We'll walk through exactly where to find your library, what you'll see when you get there, and how to add the files you use most, so your proposals, emails, and templates stay consistent and professional. Start by opening your browser and heading to honeybook.com. This tutorial uses the desktop version for the clearest view. If you're on the mobile app, the flow is similar, but the layout may look a bit different. Next, log into your HoneyBook account using your usual credentials. If you're asked to complete a verification step, go ahead and do that to keep your account secure. If you're not already signed in, this part should only take a moment. After you log in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your home base in HoneyBook. You may see an overview of your activity and items that need your attention. From here, everything you need is accessible in a few clicks. Look to the left side of your screen. That vertical bar is your main navigation. It's where you'll move between key areas like your pipeline, contacts, and other tools. We'll use that bar to get to the library. Click Tools on the left sidebar. This is where HoneyBook groups the features that support your workflows, like templates and assets you'll reuse across projects. It keeps your building blocks in one place so you don't have to hunt for them later. Now select Library. The library is your central storage for files you'll use again and again, things like images, PDFs, logos, brochures, and any assets you rely on for your client-facing materials. Keeping them here ensures consistency across your brand. On the library page, you'll see your recent files and images right away. This section is handy when you're working on something ongoing and need to quickly reopen what you used last time. You can open items to preview them, confirm they're the right version, and keep track of what's most active. If your library looks empty, that simply means you haven't added files yet. To add new items, use the upload button or drag and drop files directly into the window. Give your files clear, descriptive names so they're easy to find later, and consider using consistent naming conventions for versions or sizes. Optimizing images before uploading can help them load faster in proposals and emails. Once uploaded, these files will be available when you're building templates or sending materials, so you can insert them from your library without leaving your workflow. That's it. You've accessed the HoneyBook library, reviewed your recent files, and learned how to upload new assets so everything you need is ready when you are.